Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. I can't believe how crazy last few days have been in Toronto. We were hit with a snowstorm back to back. Twice in a row we had major snowfall, and look at how crazy it looks outside. It looks beautiful, it looks stunning, but at the same time it has put a lot of work on our plates to kind of take care of this snow. I can't imagine the snow that I'm seeing outside. I mean, this is like the same snow as what we had the entire last year, but the difference is that this is all together in just one weekend. Crazy. Kids enjoyed it a lot because the school was actually closed on the day we had the major snowfall, so kids loved the extra day off before the long weekend for family day. We actually spent a lot of time outside cleaning up the snow, and our kids use the shovels as well to clean up the snow, and it was actually quite fun. Sometimes these things are a blessing in disguise, because I find that this gives us the time to sort of slow down, get together as family, get together as neighbors, and just help out each other. I am actually very grateful for kids who, instead of complaining, actually appreciate and enjoy the moment with me. Guys, so it is almost 7 o'clock right now. Today is Thursday. What we are doing now is we're now ready for an event. I'm all showered up, ready to go out and have some fun and hopefully have a very good time.
I built my reputation, fought for
It is the next morning, guys, and I wanted to take some time and show you this desk that I ordered online for my daughter. She had actually been asking for a new desk. Her current desk in her room is not quite the size that she needs at this age, so she was looking to get something bigger. I can't wait to actually spend some time with her. I'm gonna try to find some time this weekend to actually assemble this desk together with her. I love hands-on experiences like that, and I feel that it's a great way to teach your kids self-independence. Even though they'll probably be able to hire somebody to do the job in future, I still feel that it's a great way to teach the kids to be able to do the job on their own if the need be. I ordered it in the gray color. I am not sponsored by the company. I will definitely let you know what I think about it once I assemble it. Okay guys, so here is the table all opened up, and to be honest, this is a lot more pieces than what I was expecting, but nevertheless I am up for the challenge. So is my daughter, and we are looking forward to assembling this tonight. It is now time for my booster shot, guys, and I wanted to share with you guys how I make it. I find that because I'm so much on the run and I'm not a heavy eater, I like to sort of supplement my diet with additional protein and of course Burnix to sort of stay in shape. I feel that this works for me. I don't take it every single day. It's usually every maybe 3 days or so, so let's say twice a week, and I feel that it gives me a lot of energy. What I do is I take a bit of orange juice and I add 1 tablespoon rather of protein powder, and I add maybe quarter spoon of burn eggs, and then I blend it all together. This mini blender is from Amazon. I'll share the link down below for you guys. It works great. I think it's the most convenient way for me to make this yummy mixture, which works like a magic potion for me. I truly enjoy this all the time.